In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and update contacts in Outlook address book. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to find the right person, and how to make sure your changes are saved correctly across Outlook's desktop and web experiences. First, open Outlook and head to the People section. You'll find it in the navigation pane or along the bottom bar alongside Mail and Calendar. The icon typically looks like two silhouettes. This is your address book view, and it's where all your saved contacts live. At the top of the People view, use the search box to locate the contact you want to update. You can search by name, phone number, or company. Start typing a few characters, and Outlook will suggest matches as you go. If you see several results, select the one that matches the profile you're aiming to edit. Taking a moment to confirm you've got the right person helps you avoid changing the wrong contact. Next, open the contact for editing. You can simply double-click the contact to open it. If you prefer, right-click the contact and choose Edit Contact. In some layouts, you might click the ellipsis, sometimes labeled More Options, and then choose Edit. The goal is the same: open the contact in an editable view so you can update the details. Now make your changes. Update fields like name, email, phone numbers, physical address, or notes. It's helpful to assign the correct labels, such as mobile, work, or home, so calls and emails route the way you expect. Keep phone numbers consistent with your preferred format and include country codes if you collaborate across regions. For addresses, fill out street, city, state or province, postal code, and country for accurate mailing and map lookups. The notes field is a great place to capture context, like how you know the person or key follow-up details. Avoid storing sensitive items like passwords or private codes in contact notes. When you're done, save your changes. In the new Outlook and Outlook on the web, click Save. In Classic Outlook for Windows, choose Save Close. Give Outlook a second to apply the update, then you'll see the refreshed details reflected on the contact card. If you keep Outlook open on multiple devices, your changes will sync when each device updates. That's it. Thanks for watching.